I'm saying all kinds of words, and I'm sorry. Let's do that all again, because I said so many different words, but they weren't really coming together. All right, we are gonna make chicken wings from this book, Dynamite Chicken, that I wrote. They're Rose's lime-glazed wings, but we couldn't find any Rose's lime, so we're gonna use lime juice and honey. It's in the book also. So I'm just gonna give these some salt. I'm sure the book says how much. This is vegetable oil. I like it, it's a little more neutral. I want the lime to shine through. And then I'll put in the wings. We'll spread them out. All right, we'll go in the oven. So Rose's lime juice is one of those things that I think I first wanted to use it just to be contrary, because everybody I know thinks it's a poor substitute for lime juice, which I guess I don't totally disagree. It's not the best lime juice, but it's the best Rose's lime juice there is. It's so delicious and weird and awesome. These I'm just gonna chunk up a little. These are Fresno chilies, but jalapenos would work better if that's easier to find. I'm actually not totally convinced that a Fresno chili is not just a jalapeno that they let get riper on the vine, but it's got more of a red pepper vibe than a green pepper vibe. Again, we don't have Rose's lime juice, so we're gonna use lime juice, which is an inferior version of Rose's lime juice, but still good, and honey. And then we've got some water. And a little nutmeg. There's something about lime and nutmeg that is really awesome together. All right, and some salt. And I'm gonna put that on the stove. I'm gonna bring it to a boil. I'm gonna reduce it down to a syrup, and that's gonna take about as long as it takes to cook those wings. So let's drink a beer or something. Chicken wings. Yeah? No? Okay. Okay. Our sauce is all syrupy, so we're gonna puree it with this thing. You could use a blender or one of these. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and, pour this sauce all over these. It's spicy. You don't have to put all of it on, I suppose. And I'm gonna toss them around. Did you guys see this awesome bowl? It's pretty cool. And then let's put these in a bowl. That's a whole lot of chicken wings. I hope that Food 52 offices are hungry and that they like chicken wings. And then I'm gonna put some cilantro on here because, you know, it's pretty and delicious. And that's it, chicken wings. They look really similar, but they're not all grilled. See, it's different, but the same. Yeah, I feel good about it. I feel like I did a good job here today.